I guess here 48 divided by 2 times, here 3 plus 3 is 6. Here 48 divided by 2 times 6 is 12. Here 48 divided by 12 is 4 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 4 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct way. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, A stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 48 divided by 2 times 3 plus 3 is 6. Here the next priority is exponent. We don't have the exponent in this problem. The next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have division and multiplication. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 48 divided by 2. So we have to do this 48 divided by 2 before this multiplication. So 48 divided by 2 is 24 times 6. Here 24 times 6 is 144 is the correct answer.